Hello! Welcome to my channel! So, for today's video, I'm going to show you this everyday makeup look. Guys, ang unang... Okay guys, so the first thing that you will do is to put your favorite headband. After nyo maglagay ng inyong headband, ay isusunod nyo na agad yung favorite moisturizer. Yung sa akin po is from Nature Republic. Konti lang po. Okay guys, so ipapastain nyo lang siya sa inyong skin for 5 minutes. So after nyong mag-moisturizer is isusunod nyo yung favorite nyong primer. So for me, I use this Master Prime from Maybelline New York. Kahit po konti na lang kasi nakapaglagay na man po kayo ng inyong moisturizer. Nilalagay ko po yung primer para magtagal po yung makeup nyo, let's say for 1 day or 6 to 12 hours. Next is your favorite BB cream. For me, I am using Nichido in a shade of number 2. Gamitin nyo din po yung beauty blender nyo na medyo damp, medyo basa po. Just a little bit. Sa akin po is shade number 2 kasi malapit po siya sa skin tone ko. So, if you are a medyo darker skin tone, kumuha po kayo ng number 3. And if your complexion is very white, then you can use shade of number 1. But for me, just number 2 po. Hindi naman masyadong maitim, di din naman masyadong puti. So, you can use number 2. And if you think kulang po, you can just add. Depende po sa gusto niyo. So, kung gaano kakapal yung BB cream na gusto niyo. But for me, this Nichido's coverage is maganda po. So, I've been using Nichido since I was in college. So, tested and proven na po yung Nichido for me. Maybe Nichido is around 238 pesos. Mabibili po siya sa Watsons. After kong maglagay ng BB cream, ay isusunod ko na agad yung liquid gel blush ko. So, I usually use this lip and cheek tint from Advance, EB Advance. So, I think maraming mga estudyante yung gumagamit nito because this is only around 180 pesos. So, a little bit of amount. So, I just use my fingertips. So, just put in a circle and then up. Then, dito din po. Circle. And then up. Lagyan din po natin yung ilong. And then, get your beauty blender to blend it together with your BB cream. Just focus only on your under eye. To have a good finish, you can put a powder after mong i-blend yung tint mo with the BB cream. So for me, I only use Johnson's. You can see this everywhere, but sometimes I also use this Nichido powder in a shade of creamy glow. Lalagay na po kayo ng inyong kilay. Kilay is life. So for me, I only use eyebrow pencil from EB. Ilalim muna guys, and then stroke. Iti-trace nyo lang po yung shape ng inyong kilay. So, I already have a shape. Diyan lang po. So, sorry if I have pimples. It's part of growing up. Charot. Brush using its free brush. Okay, on the other side, if you want your kilay to look natural, then you can just blend your kilay from here using your fingertips. Okay, so after my kilay is I usually put a brown wing liner using eyeshadow from Sephora. So I use only brown to make it look natural. I also put a little bit of brown eyeshadow on my under eye. Just a little bit. And on the other side. Guys, is to use your mascara. It's from Maybelline, New York. A Hyper Curl Mascara. And then also put your mascara dito sa ilalim. Para you look like have a big eyes. Para mas magandang tingnan. So look at the difference of my eyes here from here. maglagay ng mascara, ay isusunod nyo na agad yung contour niyo. So, I use my Gush Contour. Dito lang po tayo maglalagay ng contour. Then you can put a little bit on your forehead. If malaki po yung forehead ninyo, katulad ko, then you can put a little bit. So after nyan guys, ay isusunod nyo na yung nose line ninyo. So I only just use light brown eyeshadow for my nose line, and I only use my fingertips. So like this, and then you double it like that, and then put here on the side of your nose. So if you don't have a nose, sa mga walang ilong, nose line is fine. So if you are not expert on using brushes, the only remedy that you can use is your fingertips. Just do like this, and then straight down. Do like this, and then straight down. So there you have it. You have your nose line. Then you can put highlight here in the middle, using another fingertips. So don't use fingertips na ginamit nyo nung mag-nose line kayo. Use other fingertips. Then you can use brush for and after that, you are ready to put on your lipstick. For me, I use Touch of Nude from Maybelline, New York. You can use tissue paper and then you smudge it like this. Okay guys, wait, because I'm going to show you the final look of my everyday look tutorial. Thank you! Channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye.